Good evening, everybody. Today we are checking out the new labs.agentforce.com. I haven't done any tutorials on this or anything. It's just, as far as I know, I think it's brand new. Like, I think it just came out with TDX, or at least not long before. But I know that they've just released a few features announced just like today or yesterday at TDX. One of them that I find incredibly interesting is the whole agent script thing. This seems to me, I'm sad to say it because I'm a big fan of Salesforce, but I've been a bit disappointed so far with their AI offerings ever since large language models have really caught my attention and the attention of most of the technology industry, probably about a year and a half ago or so. I've been having long considered Salesforce a leader in AI. I've been a bit disappointed in their offerings, but I think that some of these things that they've just revealed at TDX do constitute real and serious innovation. So that makes me very happy to see because I'm a Salesforce guy. So let's see. We're going to just test out a brand new agent here and see how this works. Let's see. Make me your finest agent. Totally cutting edge and with all the bells and whistles. So that's kind of funny because it's exactly against what you're supposed to do, which is be specific. I'm being completely, ambiguous in my request. I just want the best agent ever. Let's see what it comes up with. And of course, got to choose Cloud Code since I have the option because Cloud Code is fantastic. Need a bit more direction. That seems reasonable. Primary purpose of this cutting edge agent. Well, mostly I want to impress my boss. Or the Salesforce world at large. But I suppose being useful to our users would also be good. How about something that lets them speak in natural language, spoken word, and can fill out opportunities and contact for them. Or can this is a good one. Or can listen to a phone call and pick out the field data. Okay, we quite quickly went from being very ambiguous to a rather specific goal, and as far as I know, last time I checked, you could pretty easily build this with like React and Cloud Code, but it would not be that easy from my understanding to build this inside of Salesforce. I mean, I'm pretty sure that you can do it, but I was expecting it to just keep working there, and it seems like it kind of got stuck on me. So I just had to ask it to keep going, which I don't know about you guys, but I actually find that quite a lot when working with agents. I give the bigger and clearer of a plan that you give, oftentimes you just need to sit there and say 25 times, keep going. Is the plan done yet? Continue. Is the plan done? And it will it will like pick an arbitrary number. It'll do like the first 4 nodes and then stop, which I know there have been a lot of attempts to try to fix that, starting with something like Ralph Wiggum. Okay, we've got an agent script now. Now things are getting interesting. Install Cloud Code. Fascinating. So it has supplied me. Huh. I don't know about you guys watching this, but I am pretty surprised with what I'm seeing right now. So here, let's. Oh, you know what though? I don't know if I have a lot of tokens available right now in Cloud Code. But what I do have is Google Anti-Gravity with Cloud Opus 4.6. So I've just gone to Anti-Gravity and pasted this. Our servers are experiencing high. Okay. Let me see here. Yeah, and you know, to some degree, like I'm tempted to apologize because this is a little rough, but I mean, that's what I'm filming right now. You know, usually so far when I've created videos, it's been like a pre-planned tutorial that I'm building. But in this case, what we're doing is we're exploring Agentforce Labs. So I'm just creating a brand new project here. Okay, you know what I want to do too that's funny? Because unfortunately I just used like almost all of my Cloud Code tokens on a different project. I could paste this in there, but we would not get too far. So I'm going to actually try it with, and I have another account with Kimmy, which is still a powerful coding agent. It's not as strong as Cloud Code. But I'm going to attempt pasting that into Kimmy, and let's see what Kimmy can make happen with it. I imagine quite a lot, actually. We'll see. User seems to think they're using Cloud Code. Users asked me to run these. Yes, please run these, Kimmy. Come on, Kimmy. You can do it. Oh, but you know, this in particular is fascinating that it has generated a username and an environment for me. Let's see what happens if I just try to go there. Oh, but I'm probably not supposed to share that. I must say, this is very interesting, though. So I have all these different options now. This is nice. And this is probably the thing that I'm the most curious about is agent script. So we give it a prompt, reasoning, and then we got actions. Okay, deterministic. It's reasoning, run actions, overlook with email, set variables, and then it allows you to do a prompt. So I guess it's this little preface of run. When we add run, it's gonna, okay, this thing means run this code exactly. So that's pretty nice, being able to deterministically tell an agent to do something, right, mixed in with other types of code. You know, I do think something like this is probably the future. Although it's not that bad to just do it in JavaScript, right? Like you create a function or something that does the kind of obfuscates the calling the agent part. So that then all you do is call the function. Meanwhile, Kimmy's working hard. Seems like she's having some degree of success. So the original prompt that we got, it told Kimmy to install the Salesforce CLI. Generate a project. And I clicked away for just a moment. Did I just lose my project I had going? So that's interesting. It's almost like sort of just a launch pad to start your project, huh? Okay, so LabBox is an Agentforce lab with every AI feature already enabled. That seems like a pretty good place to start for me here, since I don't have an org of my own at the moment. I do have a developer edition, I suppose, but okay, nice. So it did just give me a nice, fresh, clean Agentforce. Meanwhile, Kimmy is over here working hard. You're an agent that assists with voice first CRM workflows, contacts and opportunities. Hi, I'm an AI assistant. How may I help you? Okay, so it looks like Kimmy is already well versed in AgentScript. This is kind of interesting for me, combining what you would call vibe coding with Salesforce development for real. I've done a lot of both, but I haven't combined the two too much. And usually when I'm working on Salesforce, I'm working in an enterprise platform that is, it's very serious, and we gotta not mess it up. So we can't just let cloud run wild. Although I've been working on some strategies to be able to effectively harness AI while still being safe. It's definitely still an emphasis on being safe. Observability. So yeah, this is, for me, this is all quite fascinating because it is a whole lot of new that Salesforce has just suddenly dropped. Yeah, and these items as well, Arc and Grid, are also new things that I haven't really seen what they do yet. Experiment in agents building agents. It automates the plan generation for agent development, including sub-agent orchestration, logic guardrails, smoke tests, directly in your Salesforce environment. Alright. So I'm not sure how that differs from just using Agentforce vibes to build agents, but certainly something we're going to have to explore. Quick Cloud to manage Agentforce Grid workbooks directly, teach skills and whatnot. So this almost seems like it's like a Salesforce MCP suite of tools or something for doing development in Salesforce. Looks like a massive list of tools, but I can't really read it. What do we got here? And so Kimmy's still hard at work. It would appear as though we gave her a substantial task. Let's see, I wonder if like Agentforce is already turned on and stuff in this org. Seems like a good idea. Security agent. Especially because I'm not sure what credentials I've shared with you guys earlier in this video. Let's see. Very security conscious. pretty crazy how just quickly things move these days, isn't it? Account manager, appoint management, schedule, close deals, case management. Anything for security? Security analysis, security metric retrieval. Those seem appropriate. What can you do, agent? Detailed investigations. Okay, this looks like some pretty cool stuff, honestly. API analysis, etc. Let's activate that for sure. No assigned permission sets. That might be problematic. It's hard to do much of a security audit when you don't have any permissions. I was curious. Oh, okay. This over here is letting me select from different large language models. And I'm happy to see that they've got a lot of the strong ones. Gemini 3.1. Well, we got Opus 4.6. 4.7 just came out today. It's not there yet. 5.4 beta. That's probably the newest one they have then, I believe. Right. Can we turn this one on or something? User investigation. Interesting. Okay. So we've got the new security agent working now. Well, Kimmy is still hard at work, and I'm not sure how long that's going to take. I think I'm going to call it for the night. It's it's already been a pretty long day, but I did want to just explore this a little bit and maybe allow you guys to explore it with me. I'll be adding to this some more. All right, so thanks for joining me, though, guys. Have a good one. Bye.